All right, gang. As we're talking about these links that we have between access point to switch to wireless LAN controller, again, we know that the link speed here is going to be critical because of those potential bandwidth issues. So we like link aggregation. That's a thing of beauty. More is better. But we're still limited by the interfaces we're using on the switch and by the cable and connection itself. As we look at what we're pushing over our wireless input at 802.11n and AC, we're moving up to 1.3 gigabits per second or 3.5 gigabits per second with Wave 2. We're going to see more data moving through wireless, and all of that having to funnel out those wireless LAN controllers. So this is a huge issue in terms of making sure we support the appropriate bandwidth, more so than with standard desktop and wired connections. So current Cat 5e and Cat 6e can support 1 gigabit per second. And actually, Cisco's working to be able to specify using 2 or 5 gigabit connections over these legacy connections. Kind of cool. But I'm definitely looking at Cat 6, Cat 6a that can support up to 10 gigabits per second is a better way to go. That's going to give you the throughput that you need. Remember, if you're working with a wireless LAN controller 5760, it's got 10 gigabits per second data ports. So make sure you're using those 10 gig Ethernet ports on your switch to be able to utilize that potential. It can support 40 gigs of wireless data moving through it. And remember, Catalyst 3850 is a converged device with 48 wired ports, power over Ethernet, and Cisco UPoE. So the enhanced power over Ethernet options. So look at utilizing those in conjunction as well with your access points and with your wireless LAN controller to get the best throughput possible.